We are looking at how to pronounce this name, which is famously the name of the red-nosed reindeer. How do you go about pronouncing it? A common question is whether or not you pronounce the L in the name. How do you say it? Rudolph. Yes, you do want to pronounce the L, even if it's very discreet. You do twist your tongue in a way that the L is pronounced at the end. You do not say Rudolph, but rather Rudolph. You do want to stress on the first syllable in any cases. Rudolph. Rudolph. Think of the word dolphin, for example. That's pretty much how the N sounds. Rudolph. Rudolph. The red-nosed reindeer. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.